Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will give you a coupon code for a Bluehost for 3 plans. The main 3 plans of Bluehost is Basic, Choice Plus and E-commerce Essentials. These plans give you best value for your money. As an example, Choice Plus give you 50 website, 50 gigabyte of storage and can handle 200k visit per month. This is so big. This is all for $3.95. So amazing. You will get a free domain for any plan from Bluehost. This price is amazing for this. E-commerce essential as an example give you 100 gigabyte of storage. Basic give you 10 website, 10 gigabyte of storage. There is no company give you this value in these prices. So this is the prices of Bluehost. Second, why Bluehost? First, Bluehost is recommended by WordPress.org. This is so important because this is non-profit organization recommend Bluehost for number one reason: secure. Bluehost is very secure hosting. You can make a beautiful website and then this website get hacked. With Bluehost this will never happen because secure is number one concern about Bluehost. Fast, this is very fast hosting. You can depend on Bluehost when website is online, it will be online all the time. Second, the best plan that you will get is Choice Plus. I think Choice Plus is the best for everyone. You can get a Choice Plus, free domain, free migration, 50 gigabyte of storage, it will never end. 200k visit per month, this is so amazing. You will never just lose any visitor from your website. You will find this prices, this discount in the link in the description. This is direct link for Bluehost, so you will find these prices in the link. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoy Bluehost. This is my experience in Bluehost. I have a website on Bluehost, so this is my experience. I love this company. Thank you for watching. I really hope this benefit for you guys, and goodbye.